Hi, thank you for joining me to make this epic Ferris wheel. I'm proud to say this is one of my best designs and can't wait to show you how to make it. It is definitely a great statement piece in a party. It's fun and interactive. I cannot stop spinning it and I believe you will have as much fun as I do. So, are you ready for a fun ride? The supplies we need are craft sticks and cardstocks, preferable medium to heavyweight cardstock and glue. Be prepared to use many cardstocks. If you follow the default colors, you will take 3 colors and total 17 size 12 by 12 cardstocks. I've got 1/8 white wooden sticks here. Lollipop sticks would do too, as long as it's 1/8 white. Cut them into 2.5 inches long. We will need 8 of them. Here is a 1/4 inch wide craft stick. Cut it to 4.5 inches. If you don't have the 1/4 wide stick, cut 3 1/8 wide sticks and glue them together. This will be the stick for the center of the Ferris wheel. There are total 4 files. The first one we need is spacers.svg. Upload to Design Space. There are the essential elements to make the Ferris wheel spin. There are 2 different sizes of spacers here. The majority is the pink small circles connected together. There are the spacers for the carriages. The purple spacers are for the big wheel. There are 16 small solid circles. They are the covers for the carriage spacers. The 2 pink solar circles are the cover for the big wheel spacers. All we need to do is send a file to cut. There are many details in this design and lots need to be cut. I suggest clean your blade before and between cutting. To clean the blade, take out the blade and jab it into a foil bowl. Make sure the blade is installed back properly. Peel off the spacers. It should be easy to peel away. If the small circles in the middle not cut properly, it might be worse to clean the blade. Put the circles in a container so they don't mix up with the scraps. Here are all the spacers. Grab a spacer, fold between circles backward and forward like this. Make sure the hole in the middle is not covered. Fold the rest. Same as the bigger spacers. Now we have all the caterpillars here. We are going to glue the spacers. Make sure we could see through. The hole is not covered. Squeeze to align the circle. To glue, use one hand to hold the spacer. Let go of each layer and apply glue at a time. Turn to the other side and glue. Give it a good press and adjust to align properly. Same as the other spacers. All the spacers are done. There should be 16 small spacers and 6 bigger spacers. Make sure we are able to push through the stick. Next, we will upload the base SVG to Design Space. There are 2 sets of stand and 1 base box. In Prepare page, move 1 stand to the other page. This way we have 1 less page to cut. Here are all the cutouts for the base. This is the bottom base, 2 sets of each element. Glue the decorative panel with the stand front. Align the circle on the top and make sure the panel is in the middle. The front of the stand is done. We will fold the back of the stand along the folding lines. It might be easier to flip to the back and fold. I need to show you how to fold, so I will keep it this way. See this tiny triangle here? It is a bit tricky to fold. Take your time here. These triangles are glue tabs. Fold the tiny triangle to the back. Fold along the dotted lines. Grab the front piece of the stand. Fold the glue tabs on both sides. Continue to fold the rest. Apply glue on the triangle tabs. Hold till the glue is dry. These two pieces are for the middle of the stand to give it a better support. Fold the folding lines and glue to the middle. We will glue the two stand pieces together. Glue the bottom first. Fold the bottom backward for now, so it is easier to glue. Once the bottom is secured, apply glue all over and tuck in any bits are sticking out. Check all the sides align well. The two stands are done. They should look like this. This is the front of the stand and it will face outward. This is the base for the stand. Fold and glue. File number 3, Ferris wheel. All need to be done is sand to cut. There are actually 4 layers of the wheel. We will glue 2 together to make the wheels stronger. When peel off the wheel, use a spatula remove slowly. Flip the cutting mat and peel the mat away from the wheel. This is to prevent to bend the wheel. We are going to glue 2 wheels together. How I apply glue is start from the outer circle, 4 straight lines, the second and the third circles, and the zigzag here. Do it quickly before the glue dried up. Use glue that will not make the paper wavy. I used some water-based glue before and it bent the wheel when dry. Apply glue where you see fit. Put on the second wheels and align them. Now the wheel is done. The last file, carriages. Yay! There are two styles of the carriages, one with bunting flags and one with love heart. You could use both styles or one only. Just need to delete the one you don't need and duplicate the one you would like. I'm just gonna use both of them and send to cut. Here are all the cutouts for the carriages. 4 carriages in one color and 4 in the other color. 8 roofs in one color and 8 roofs in different color. 8 love heart panels, 8 first layer of the bunting and 8 second layer of the bunting. All the folding lines are cut as dotted lines. Fold along the lines. Get 2 green roofs and 2 pairs of the buntings. Next step is to glue the carriage. This is the first carriage done. Style 2 carriage. Glue all the decorative pieces on. Fold along the lines. These are the first 2 carriages. Repeat and make the rest of the carriages. We are getting to the exciting part. We have done all the elements. We have 8 carriages, 2 stands, the stand base, 2 big wheels, all the spacers, sticks we need, and the spacer covers. It's time to build a Ferris wheel. Glue the small spacers to the big wheel. Align the circles. When glue, make sure we align the hole in the middle. If they don't align, the sticks can't go through. The small spacers are all attached to the big wheels. Get 2 big spacers and glue them to the front of the stands. The one with the green panels are the front side of the stands. Align the hole in the middle. Have the green panel sides facing outward. The 2 stands will position in the base like this. Grab the 4.5 inches stick and 2 big spacers. Put the spacers through the stick. Grab a big wheel. Oopsie, alright, we don't need a stand yet. The spacers side of the wheels are facing each other. Here goes the first wheel and the second wheel. The last 2 spacers goes through. The wheel part is done. Attach the wheel and 1 stand first. Flip over and put through the second stand. The whole thing is going to sit in the stand base. Apply glue at the bottom. Hold the stand till the glue is dry. The 2 big wheels are a bit wobbly at the moment. It will be fine once we put all the carriages in. Get a stick, go through the first carriage and the spacers. Our first carriage is done. Get a different style carriage. We will put the carriages in alternatively. It's fine the stick is sticking out. They will be covered by a spacer cover later. You could use a dab of glue at the ends of the sticks to secure them. I find it secure enough without using glue. Continue with the other carriages. The last carriage. How exciting! Because of the weight, you will find the space on the top for the last carriage. It is looking good. Have a test spin. Come to the last step. The sticks are sticking out from the wheels. We will glue the covers on. The two big circles are for the stands. All the small covers on this side are done. Glue the big one in the middle. Turn to the other side and repeat. This is it, the last cover. Glue and done. Look how smooth it runs. All the hard work on the spacers pay off. I put in lots of time and effort to design this project. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.